This is what I use to make stew for my family. Low budget recipe. We've been surviving on okra powder soup. This is how I make the okra powder soup and ground pepper stew. Watch how I use this ground pepper to make stew and sauce. This pepper cost me 200 naira. To survive the current situation of economy in Nigeria, this is how we've been living, family of 5 in Nigeria. So watch how I prepare different recipe on this video. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you. I appreciate that.
seasoning, the curry and thyme in it so that I can, smell nice, and the aroma is so nice. I put my pepper, and after putting the pepper, I put my palmer. After putting palmer, the sauce is ready, and I'm serving my family. Depends on how you take this life. This life is so easy. You know what I'm saying? So easy. Stop blaming government. Be responsible for your life. Be in charge. Put your hustle. Do anything you feel you can do. Don't be always too judgmental. By the way, don't forget to like and share my content. Bye. It's by God's grace if we can hit 2 square meal in a day in Nigeria we are today. So join me. Let's make palm oil concoction rice. I'm going to hit it 2 times in a day. So I pour my rice, I pour my palm oil, I put my Maggi, I put my honey, I put my pepper, and I put my 2 fish for dinner and breakfast. After pouring it, I was waiting the food will get done. Guess what? My gas finished. Oh my goodness, I got to fill gas. I sharply run to where to fill gas. Now food is done. Let's eat. God, I'm grateful. People subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.